I am constantly amazed by how easy it can be to look polished on camera with the right tools. With the Teleprompter browser tool, creators over 40 are finding it effortless to deliver flawless videos in one take. And honestly, it makes total sense once you try it. We didn't grow up staring into cameras. Reading a script while sounding natural is a skill, and BIGVU makes it a lot easier to pull off. You paste your script in, it scrolls right next to your webcam, and you just talk. Smooth scrolling, no jumpy text, no losing your place. Adjust the speed, bump up the font, flip on mirror mode if you're using a rig. Your eye contact stays solid and your message stays tight. It records HD video directly in your browser. Then you can drop in subtitles, add background music, and slap your logo on, all in the same place. No extra tools, no extra cost, just sharper videos, faster. If you've been putting off recording because it feels like too much, this removes every excuse. Click the link, open BIGVU, and record your first one-take video today.